Hey guys, welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make some Hog Head Cheese, so keep watching. These are the cooked pig feet. I'm gonna go ahead and make some sauce out of it. They call it Hog Head Cheese, but I don't have a head. I just have the, I guess the feet. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this apart and put it in in a container. Yeah, let you see. I chopped it up, but I'm gonna also put it in my food process because I like mine a little smaller pieces when I cut into. This was 2 pig feet. Okay, only 2. This is what it looks like now. I'm gonna add my spices to it. I'm gonna first taste it and see what, I haven't added anything except for salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now, see what I need to add. It is not salty at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a heaping teaspoon of salt in there. And you have the salt to your taste, not mine, okay? And let me add some other spices. I added 1 teaspoon of sage. I added a 1/4 teaspoon of sage in there. And I'm gonna add some turmeric. Add some turmeric to it. And that's about a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. And it is kind of spicy because I did add some pepper flakes to the pot while I was cooking, a bay leaf and salt. But I didn't add that much salt because it definitely needs that. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some oregano to it. Correction, I added a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel. I like fennel in mine, so you can add whatever you like to yours, okay? Let me go ahead and mix it up again. This is what it looks like now. I'll place it in this container and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, I added a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. I should have put it in the blender, but I didn't, I forgot. This is my keto Hog Head Cheese, even though I didn't use Hog Head Cheese. I just used the 2 feet. And it's very firm, and I'm gonna taste it. I must say it tastes better than the one I got purchased at the store. It's really good. Very good. So if you want some collagen for your skin, this is it. Very good. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.